In this video, I will show you how you can add a Gmail account to your iPad Air. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app. After you find the Mail app, then just tap on it, and from here, just tap on Mail Accounts. Now to add a Gmail account, just tap on Add Account and select Choose from a list. And from this list, just tap on Google. Select Open Browser, and in this section, just enter your Gmail address. After you enter your Gmail address, then just tap on Enter. And on the next page, just enter the password of your Gmail address. After you enter the password of your Gmail address, then just tap on Enter and select Continue. And on this page, just select the services which you want to enable for your Gmail address. For example, if you want to use your Gmail address to send or receive emails, just enable the toggle for mail from here. And the same goes with all the other options. Just enable the toggle for the option for what you want to use your Gmail for. After you do that, then just select Save. And as you can see, we have successfully added our Gmail account to our iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.